Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC90 T8 Phev R design, 5-door auto in stunning blue colour. This MPV is packed with luxury and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and voice control. With a 2-litre engine and petrol, plug-in hybrid electric fuel type, the XC90 delivers power and efficiency. Stylish and secure, it boasts a chrome package, privacy glass, and centralized locking. Safety is paramount, with ABS, multiple airbags, and emergency call. This vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line SUV. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how to make this Volvo XC90 yours. Drive in style and peace of mind with the Volvo XC90 T8 Phev R design.